Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 8. They say the universe is without truth, without moral basis, without God, not brought about by any regular causal sequence, with lust for its cause. What else?
Chapter 16, Shloka 8. Asatyam apratishtam te jagatahur anishwaram aparaspara bhutam kimanyat kamahaitukam.
Chapter 16, Shloka 8. Under the category of the diabolically fallen come the utterly skeptical materialist who looks at life from his own limited standpoint and who fails to recognize any final purpose or permanent substratum for all the happenings. The materialists have stalwart intellects and are capable of independent thinking, and so with a little training will be able to see something beyond what they generally observe. Even when they are very scientific in their observation and analysis, the materialists fail to recognize that truth that holds the universe. They recognize change, and the constant change itself is recognized as the world without having for it any steady and changeless substratum. However, they admit that without the changeless, constant foundation, change cannot take place and give us an impression of continuity. Like without a screen, a running film cannot be projected. The ever-changing universe cannot give us a constant appearance without it having a changeless foundation. This eternal and unchanging reality behind the ever-changing universe is called the truth. According to the materialist, the universe is without truth, asatyam. Also, there is no commanding intelligence that orders, regulates, and generally guides the happening in the world. The entire universe of things and beings is formed only as a result of mutual combinations of the great elements, and the sole ruling factor that determines is chance, and the only deciding urge propelled by which beings are born is nothing but lust. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.